Good afternoon, teams. Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. So, our research, we named it Crime and Why. These are the given databases. As you can see, there are 4 columns with 5 columns, in fact: state, population, non-white, density, and crime. Population is usually taken in thousands because this is the US, so it's 675,000. In India, it would have been 6 lakh. And density, as always, it's 700 and all per square kilometer. Crime. So we tried to make a map of our own, as you can see. So what could we relate from this map is like most number of crimes, like how were they related? Turned out like they were quite closely related to each other, as you can see. This is Albuquerque, then there was Denver, Detroit is here, then Baltimore and all. On the western side, so we tried to relate like why did these crimes happen with the non-white, with the density and the population. As you can see in the southern part, many crimes took place here, especially in Albuquerque. The population density in Albuquerque was quite less. So we assumed, and in fact, like all of these crimes, you can see the southern part, all of them, they had one thing common, and that was that the density was quite less. So we just assumed that these were the targets for mostly like murders and all, since it would be very easy to kill someone when there are less people, less density. So that's why like this was common for murder. Then as we look on the western side, there's lots of population, lots of density. Detroit, famous like for black people living. Not going to be racist, but it's known for robbery. So these are the places which are mostly and commonly known for pickpocketing or robbery and bank heists and stuff. So see, western side, the population density, as I've been mentioning about population density a lot. Then southern, yeah, that's all I'd like to say. And population density. And here the common thing was that there were mostly non-whites in this robbery area. The reason for them being robbers could have been like they were immigrants, or immigrants mostly, or people who had lost their jobs, non-whites. So that is very common in America, where the non-whites will lose their jobs. And this part, there was less density. We can see that there are more whites than the non-whites, so that's why there were more murder cases. We even took help of a murder map, and it was shown there also that murders were very common in the southern part. Thank you.